Hey everybody, how's it going? Paul here from 48 Spokes. Just this little video is about the grill bars. Before I can complete the bodywork at the front of the car, I've got to fit everything. So I've got to fit the grill bars inside the radiator grill, and then I can mount the grill. And then the next thing I've got to do is to finish the radiator, fit a fan, etc, etc. So there's quite a bit to do at the front end, but this little video is going to be all about the fitting of the grill bars, so making the little brackets and fitting the grill bars. Stay tuned. Well, here we have the original grill that I bought 30 odd years ago. Bought it from another member of the Gentry Register. It's a handmade replica grill. It's all TIG welded out of brass. A very nice job. I think I paid about £200, £220 for that, including the grill bars. And today it would probably set you back something like about £700 to £800. At the time I installed the grill bars, I didn't know any better, and I just installed them all lined up with a flat piece of stainless steel up on the left hand side there, with some little fasteners. So that I got the clips right at the time, but the angle it needs to be different, which I subsequently found out. And at the other end, at the bottom of the shell, it's just a bent piece of aluminium with the same clip. So I was quite happy with it at the time, but not now. And this picture shows very clearly how the back face of the bars all lines in the same plane, which is incorrect, because it makes the curve of the bars slightly out of position. Which will be apparent when we get to the finished article. Now this shows the grill bars in two units basically. As I was removing from the shell, just to have a bit of a play about, and that's a view from the front side. It's not apparent really that the spacings are incorrect, but they are. And as a view from the bottom of the shell looking up. Little bit difficult to see, but when you see the thing in the cold light today, from the bottom, the distance from the centre bar to the first bar is closer at the bottom and the top, and is slightly wider in the middle, mainly to do with the angle of the rear of the bars not being correct. So I needed to have a look for some ideas, and I went on to a worldwide forum for MG cars, and noticed that there was some pictures on there of various MGTF owners' cars with a discussion talking about grill bars and how to reinstall them. And it was there that I found some photographs of what the grill bars actually looked like. And until that point, I had no idea what it was I was looking for. So here you can see a picture of the upper and lower brackets, which I decided to draw something out in CAD. So I downloaded some free open source software called LibreCAD. This allowed me to draw it up roughly to scale from taking some scale measurements off the photographs. But once I'd got this drawn up in LibreCAD, I printed it off to scale. The whole form would take up 2 prints. So here you can see me actually messing around, cutting the prints out to fit it to a piece of card. Then what I did was cut the card up, making a cardboard template. Once I'd cut the cardboard template up, I then proceeded to fit it inside the grill just to see what it looked like. And from there, I'd keep going back to the CAD file and tweaking it until I was happy. Then the next stage was to glue it to some galvanized steel, which I had left over from the powder coating oven, and decided the best way to glue it to that would be to stick masking tape to the galvanized steel, and then to stick the paper templates to the masking tape. Left it overnight to dry thoroughly. And then the next day I was able to cut it out of the metal to actually give me some rigidity in terms of a metal template, which I proceeded to check the fit of the bars inside the inside the grill frame itself. Once I'd finished the top bracket, then I set about making the bottom bracket. So there you see the finished article. Very, very pleased with it. It took me a long time to do it, but the end result was well worth it. And if anybody out there in the gentry register, or who's building a gentry, who wants to save themselves an awful lot of time, if they've got the same grill as me, then get in touch with me, and we can see what we can do about getting you some prints, some full-scale prints off. Anyway, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the bell icon, of course, and stay tuned to the channel for my next video. Bye for now.